Advertisement for pet rock trainers. Are you tired of lazy, unresponsible pet rocks? Look no further. Rocky finally learned to stay. Best decision ever. Superhero profiles with bizarre powers. Brock Otley. Oh my god, this is amazing. Shit is very good. Barack Obama. Paul Lisi. Platform. This video must be called How to Throw an Afternoon Through the Window. Welcome back. Let's see if these trendy models grasp nuances and humor. We are going to test that. One thing that really interests me about all this shit is how creative these models can be. And one way to check that is comedy. Coming from the storytelling and movie industry, it's been a while that I wanted to try how these trendy models grasp nuances and humor. I think that comedy and horror are very difficult art forms to master. So let's see how well these bots respond to these questions. So here I present to you some fun and ridiculous scenarios to see how creative and versatile each AI model is in handling absurd and humorous situations. Okay, so these are the situations: alien diplomacy, time traveler guide, haunted house realtor, superhero secret identities, cooking show catastrophe, office drama, fairy tale remixes, zombie apocalypse plans, ridiculous product advertisement, fantasy sports commentary, dating profiles for mythical creatures, why not, and pet politics. What we're going to do here is jump between ChatGPT and Claude right here. And to make it clearer, we'll go in Claude right here, appearance, and we're going to put it dark. Perfect. And to make it more efficient, go back here and we're going to turn off feature preview, the artifacts right here. Perfect. Because, you know, we're going to be comparing and using language, reasoning, etc. So I don't want the artifacts creating diagrams, animations, etc. Could be cool, but not for this video. We're going to be using Claude 3.5 Sonnet instead of the Opus or the Haiku. And we're going to be using ChatGPT-4o that we can see right here. By the way, of all these examples, I'm going to leave a link in the description. I'm going to copy the conversations, the chats, and I'm going to leave you a link. So you can talk about the question. I mean, what do you think? Who do you think it's better or not? Okay, alien diplomacy. We will give each of our contendants a scenario. In this case, you must draft a peace treaty between Earth and a newly discovered alien race that communicates only through dance and riddles. And challenge, come up with the most creative and diplomatic solutions incorporating dance moves and solving riddles. Make it short. Okay. So scenario, we're going to make sure, by the way, that we're not using any project, like quantum computing, how to use Claude, etc. I really like this project stuff, by the way, with Claude. It is a shame that it's only for the pro users. We'll copy the prompts and see what happens. We say to every one of them, make it short. So here's a short creative draft of a peace treaty between Earth and a dance and riddle communicating aliens. Treaty. There's Picorian harmony. What? Air affiliates shall perform the galactic groove to initiate discussion. Aliens respond with the cosmic conundrum conga, posing riddles through movement. Both parties solve riddles via interpretative dance, with correct answers signified by synchronized twirls. Whoa, man. What was I thinking when I had the idea for this crazy video? Ratification achieved through a joint performance of the interstellar peace past the Jesus Christ, annual riddle-a-thon rave. What? Anyway, let's see here. It shows information more like a plan. Preamble. In the interest of establishing lasting peace and mutual understanding between the inhabitants of Earth and the Zerlaxians, who communicate through the universal languages of dance and riddles, communication and mutual respect. Dance ambassadors. Riddle exchange. Article 2. Cultural exchange program. Dance festivals. Riddle libraries. Conflict resolution. Dance duels. Riddle mediation. Article 4. Cooperative projects. Treaty enforcement and reviews. Conclusions. In signing this treaty, both Earth and Zalaxia commit to a future of peace, understanding, and shared prosperity, expressed through the beauty of dance and the wisdom of riddles. And you have the signatures and all. Yeah, the point is here for ChatGPT. It's interesting. Let's continue with Time Traveler's Guide. So, a time traveler from the year 3024 needs a guide to understand the cultural and technological changes over the centuries. Challenge: write a guided book entry explaining smartphones, social media, and memes to someone from the distant future. It's going to be interesting. Let's copy paste it here on Claude and here on ChatGPT. Okay, here's a short guidebook entry for our time traveler. Welcome to the 21st century. Pocket guide. Smartphones handle computers doubling as communication devices. Key features: internet access, camera, GPS, blah, 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 social media, digital platforms for sharing live updates, opinions, popular platform circa, Facebook, memes, the era of Euroclips. These are images or video clips, often with text that spread rapidly online. Note, if confused, remember, it's not you, it's us. That's a good one. Okay, let's see. GPT guided entry, understanding early 20th century culture and technology. Smartphones. In the early 21st century, smartphones were handheld devices that combined communication, entertainment, and computing functions. The devices featured touch screens, internet access, and a variety of applications. Communicate, access information, entertain. Social media, Facebook groups, blah, 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 memes. Summary: smartphones, social media, and memes were integral to early 21st century life, shaping communication, entertaining, and cultural expression. Yeah, dude, I mean, for me, it would take so long to create this. Let's continue. I like this one. You're a real estate agent tasked with selling a haunted house to a family that doesn't believe in ghosts. Challenge: create the most convincing and humorous sales pitch that downplays the haunting and highlights the unique features. We'll see. Here and here. Let's see what's going on. Here's a short humorous sales pitch for a skeptical family. Welcome to 6 to 13 Spectre Lane. Nice. Home with characters. Self-closing doors, energy efficient, fluctuating temperatures, built-in climate control, mysterious white whispers, white noise machines, floating objects, zero-gravity entertaining systems, flickering lights, eco-friendly ambient lighting. That's very good. Creaky floorboards, built-in intruder alert. Nice. Ghostly apparitions, complementary holographic security, bold-line substance on walls, avant-garde interior design, possessed dolls, interactive toys for the kids, creepy, exorcist on speed dial. Yeah, I don't know this one. See what happened here. Key features. Welcome to 1315 Spook Lane. I prefer that one. A beautiful Victorian gem with unmatched charm and character. Two very elegant and modern comings, historical charm, original woodwork, stained glass, spacious layout, plenty of room for the whole family, with an attic basement perfect for storage, and perhaps a second play for the kids. This one is kind of like a more naive, no? I mean, it seems self-adjusting thermostat is a good one. Courtesy of our resident ghost Casper. Naive again. Bonus, automated security system. No intruder can sneak past our invisible guardians. Sensor decor, yeah, again. Another point to Claude. Let's continue. Superhero secret identities. Okay, scenario: you need to come up with secret identities and backstories for the new superheroes with bizarre powers, like turning broccoli into a weapon of mass destruction. Create interesting and amusing superhero profiles. Let's try out this one, Claude and ChatGPT 4o. As always, super fast. Here are 3 short, amusing superhero profiles with bizarre powers. The Cruciferous Crusader secret identity. Broccoli. Oh my god, this is amazing. It's amazing. Jesus. This granted farmer power. Turns broccoli into weapons of mass destruction. Backstory. Bitten by a radioactive rabbit while tending his vegetable patch. That's a good one. Jesus, that's good. Broccoli blaster. Dr. Brenda Green. Backstory. Once on a top botanist, Dr. Green was exposed to a strange cosmic radiation during a lab accident involving genetically modified broccoli. Power. Can transform broccoli into explosive devices with varying effects. Jesus Christ. I mean, this is creative. This is like very, very creative, man. Let's continue. Cooking show catastrophe. Okay. Scenario. You host a cooking show where they must make a gourmet meal using all ingredients found in a college student dorm's room. Creative and hilarious recipes using stand noodles, canned soup, and leftover pizza. Yeah, see? Here we are, testing how creative this stuff is. Welcome to the dorm room process. Croutons and condensed soup reduction. Ingredients: 1 pack instant ramen, good, unsliced leftover pizza, nice, a canned condensed soup. Instructions: crushed ramen in package, blah blah blah. Instant noodles, leftover pizza, hot sauce or ketchup. Yeah, I think that this is better. Instructions, recipe, ingredients, cheesy pizza ramen bake. Remember, gourmet meals are just a microwave away. See you next time on Dorm Room Gourmet. Yeah, that's good. Let's continue. Office drama. Implementing humorous or conflict. I think that's too much. fairy tale remixes. Let's jump to this one. You're asked to write classic fairy tales with a modern twist, like Cinderella in the age of social media. Let's do it. This one and this one. Glass Sliper. Once upon a time, oh my god, in a bustling city lived Ella, a hard-working barista with dreams of becoming a top influencer. Her stepmother and stepsister constantly sabotage her posts and stole her best filters. Yeah, we could continue. It's doing the job. 100% it's doing the job. Oh my god, this continues. As we said in other videos, I stated here, please make it short. I could say make it very short, but you know, it makes it kind of like long. It's kind of an ambiguous phrase, but anyway. Once upon a time in a bustling city, there lived a young woman named Ella, known for her friends as Cinderella. She was an aspiring influencer with dreams and attending the most exclusive party of the year, the Grand Gala, hosted celebrity Prince Charming. Cindy lived with her evil stepmother and two mean stepsisters who hogged the Wi-Fi and never let her dazzling her selfies. Yeah, I mean, good stuff. That's a good one. Let's go through this one. You must come up with a survival plan for a zombie apocalypse, but with a catch. The zombies are scared of loud noises, and the protagonists only have an access to musical instruments. Challenge. How clever and humoristic can you make the survival strategies? Oh, let's see. Beam and beam. Okay. Operation. Symphonic survival. 45 local music store. Rename it. Fort. Rolls. Trumpet squad. Drum corps. Violin vigilantes. Bagpipe brigade. Tactics. Wall of sound. For large hordes. 1812 overture. With actual cannons. Nice. Rickroll approaching zombies. I don't know what's that. Traps. Piano. Wire type. Trip wires. Cymbal crash. Bear traps. Tuba pitfalls. Transport. Modify ice cream trucks. It is fucking crazy. And this one. Instructions. The band of survivors. Drummer. Melody the violinist. Bassy the bass guitar. Piper. The bagpiper. The wall of sound. Oh, the same one. The silent ambush. Setup. Scout a safe zone quietly. Execution. Set up a hidden stage with instruments. When zombies approach, unleash a surprise concert. Oh yeah, that is like, yeah, what do you want me to say? Product advertisement. You're tasked with creating advertisement for bizarre and fictional product. Pet rock trainers. Not even know what this could be or could mean. Let's see. Okay, you are tasked with creating, yeah. Here's a short, amusing advertisement for pet rock trainers. Unlock your rock's potential. Are you tired of lazy, unresponsible pet rocks? Look no further. Our revolutionary pet rock training system will have your geological companion. Sitting still, advanced level, playing dead, masterclass, rolling over, downhill package. That's nice. Feature, whisper quiet training clicker, rock solid treat dispenser, patience of a mountain. Testimonials, that's going to be cool. My boulder now fetches the newspaper. Rocky finally learned to stay. Best decision ever. Running. Results may take several geological epochs. Oh, that's very funny. That's very, very good. Train your rock your life. Tired of your pet rock just sitting there? It's rock and roll with our revolutionary pet rock trainers. Rock tricks. Sit, stay, roll over. Personalized coaching. Our experts, trainers, customize sessions to bring out your rock's unique personality. Testimonials. Stay in one place for hours. Amazing. Special offers. Order now and get free bed dazzling kit. Yeah, before this one, fantasy sports commentary. Shall we do this once? Yeah, but put here, make it very short. Let's see if it happens. Let's see if it understands the instruction. We'll put it in capital. Okay, send. Let's see what happens here. Welcome to the world. Chess Mo. Companionships. Oh, Grandmaster Sumo executes a brilliant bishop to rook 6 body slam. Wait, challenge a tiny countess with a spawn. Sacrifice backflip. The crowd goes wild as Suno attempts a castling suplex. Tani dodges, setting up for his signature move, the Queen's Gambit belly bump. It connects. Sumo teeters on the edge of the Tohyo board. Checkmate or ring out. The tension is unbearable. Welcome, folks, to the ultimate mind Mets muscle showdowns. It's a chess Sumo time. That's right, Jin. Watch as Grandmaster Higashi pushes for a checkmate while trying to stay inside the Sumo ring. That's cool. And there's the bell. Higashi moves his knight. Oh, but here comes Sumo champion Kuro with a fierce shove. Incredibly balanced from Higashi. Kuro pushing hard. Kuro stumbles. It's amazing that you can do this. This is like all bullshit, but you know, I mean, the creative level of inventing stupid stuff like this that I'm doing, it's quite impressive. I don't know, let's finish this, right? Now that we're here, here we go. And here we go. This one was create a dating profile for mythical creatures like a dragon, a mermaid, and a centaur. Hot-headed fire breather seeks cool partner. Enjoys long flights, treasure hoarding, and barbecues. Nice. Must love scales and not mind occasionally village distraction. Night-free diet. Smokers welcome. Mermaid. Bubbly sea dweller looking for her land legs. That's a good one. Looking for my land legs. Enjoy singing, combining hair and shipwreck exploration. Seeking someone to be part of my world. No fishermen or sushi chefs, please. Nice. Let's make waves together. Centaur. Half man, half horse, all heart. See the other ones? About me, majestic and powerful dragon looking for a kindred spirit to share my treasure hoard with. I enjoy long flights over ancient forests and guarding mystical relics. Hobbies, breathing fire, collecting shiny things, roasting marshmallows. A fearless companion who appreciates a good bonfire and has a taste for adventure. Must be dragon friendly. Let's see the world on fire together. Let's make waves in each other's hearts. Anyway, yeah, I think this is better. And pet politics. So you must draft a campaign speech for dog running for president of the pets. Why not? We'll make it very short. Let's see, here and here. Oof, fellow furballs. I'm Barack Obama. That's a very good one. Touché. You can in-candidate. My platform, more walks, less bath. I'll fight for unlimited belly rubs and table scrap equality. No more vacuum cleaners. Together, we'll make America fetch again. Remember, a vote for me is a vote for good boys everywhere. Barack Obama 2024. Yes, we can have treats. That's a good one. It's this one. I'm Fido, and I'm running for president of the pets. Here's my Pack Lacey platform. Paul Lacey. That's a very good one. Dude, for stuff like this shit is very good. Barack Obama, Paul Lacey platform. More walks, less baths. Every dog deserves endless adventures. Vote for me, whatever. Value wrap for all. Treat equality. All pets will receive equal treats. Treat equality. Just got it. Playtime expansion. Napping rights. Vote Fido, because every pet deserves the best. Woof out. Yep. I think it's very good. Good job. Good job, both of you. I really like Claude, though. I don't know. And we arrived to the end. I really enjoyed testing the AI capabilities for fun and creative stuff. I mean, this is amazing for having like a brainstorming buddy, having chats, exploring ideas, and iterating about them. That's very cool. I think that for somebody that wants to work in the creative industry, it's a very, very cool tool to have, because not all of us have people that we can talk to and, share ideas, explore possibilities, etc. So yeah, I think it's a very cool tool. And again, it's for free, so why not taking advantage of it? So stay tuned and click the following video about the best options to test your creative skills with the best AI tools in the market. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next video. Stay kind.